How to remove error. Emails from Mailchimp email upload. You can do this in just 7 simple steps. 1. Open Mailchimp and go to the Audience section. Click on Import Contacts to check for errors in your uploaded list. 2. If Mailchimp flags emails with errors, click View Details to see which emails were rejected. 3. Correct any formatting mistakes like missing its symbols, spaces, or special characters in email addresses. 4. Remove any duplicate or invalid email addresses before re-uploading to ensure accuracy. 5. If Mailchimp rejects emails due to a blacklist issue, verify them with an email validation tool before retrying. 6. Try uploading your list again using a CSV file to prevent copy-paste errors from spreadsheets. 7. Once successfully uploaded, test by sending a small campaign to ensure emails are delivered properly.